Let me show you what you get if you go ahead and join Save Club just as a member for $19.97 for that good old month. And then if you want to be an affiliate, you have 320s. All right, you have those little $60 $1 bills. Well, let's invest it in yourself. That's going to be a darn good 60 bucks. All right, let me show you what you get. Do you want to step inside? All right, take my arm, take my hand. Let me help you up. Okay. Now, when you join, you're going to log into saveclub.com. This is your home page. Now, you're going to set up your membership. You can join by just 1 month, $19.97, or you can pay for the year. If you pay for the year, you're instantly VIP status, and you're going to make more commissions. It's just that easy. You don't have to jump through hoops. You don't have to sign up 50 million people and then do this and do that and have a voodoo doll. If you want to be a VIP and make more commissions, then join for the year versus the month. Go ahead and just join according to your budget, of course. So, my deals, this little link here, this is where you go in and search the whole planet to see if there's things you can save on. And if you do, just draw it up on your cell phone screen or on your screen here on your home computer like I have. You can print out the coupon. Most people, if they go to a store, or maybe let's say a restaurant, they'll just draw the deal up on their cell phone screen, present it to the person they're paying, and get the deal like that. Or if you're a flight, Lyft, any type of service online, it's easy because you just follow the screen. Search, view the deal. If you like the deal, go ahead and do it and save. Very simple. And remember, it's just called the My Deals tab. Here's something that's important, and I like to promote this just about every week. If you're a business and you want to be a part of Save Club, go into My Deals. Now scroll to the bottom. See where it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Click that Get Started button. And if you have like a tanning salon, a barbecue chicken place, maybe you're a sports therapist, why not be a part? Maybe you do own a hotel. You can see there's just thousands and tens of thousands of people already in. The Popcorn Factory, RV, look, Papa Murphy's. Someone here in Utah definitely owns a Wendy's, and Firestone. Maybe you're lucky enough to have a big old car repair place. But I like local businesses too. I'm a big fan of supporting smaller businesses, but you can see big billion-dollar businesses, Progressive, Travelers, if you want to go to Disneyland. But like I said, go to My Deals after you join, go to the bottom, and click that, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Now, this is the main web page, saveclub.com. You just put in your username and password and go into order history. It'll show, did I join for the month? Did I join for the year? Anything you buy, it'll go right here into order history. My team, it'll show you everybody that has joined you, either pre-enrolled or maybe they've went ahead and did the $79.97. My enroller, that's who you sign up underneath. Leaderboard, that's always fun. You can kind of see what's going on around the world. Let's see here. I'm number 7 right now. Can you believe it? I almost have 100 people. I think by tomorrow I'll probably have 100 people. That's exciting. So thank you for joining me if you're watching me right now. All right, statistics. You can see how many people have pre-enrolled and signed up. My earnings, that's awesome. You can see I average about $1,000 a week right now. And with my funnel system, that's paid over $800. I'll be at probably $900 by tomorrow. Contact us. This is if you want to get a hold of Save Club and just ask about, hey, do you guys take cryptocurrency? What about my Visa card? Or I have a question about this. All right, not about marketing. Don't get a hold of Save Club to ask how to market. All right, I like to tell you how to do that. And so does their website. See right there, it says training. This is how you should market. Just watch this video once. It's like a minute long. This is where you're going to log into the orange little button there that says marketing materials. Go there. Check it out. We have videos and pictures and all this stuff already made for you to use. So if you're not going to be a video person like this right now, don't worry about it. We already have videos for you to upload to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, pictures. All you got to do is just right there again. Let me show you. Okay, it says training. And this is the page right here in that orange little button. All right, and if you need to study the pay plan, it's right at the very bottom of your cell phone or the computer screen. It'll just say pay plan. And this is what it looks like here. Scroll down, there's 5 ways we get paid. That's always kind of cool. Check it out. It's a lot of fun. We have a real nice video too that I can send you. And it's just barely brand new. I think it's only a handful of days old. I'll put the link below this video. So if you want to see the 5 ways we get paid, just watch the video a couple times. It's easy. And besides, every Friday when we get paid, it shows exactly how you made your money. So within a week or so, it's very easy to understand the comp plan. I like it. But there it is. If you want to go to it directly, go to saveclub.com/pay plan. Do you see I highlighted the link right there? All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you my links that I use. And for some reason, almost 100 folks have went ahead and clicked either one of these links. Now, officialsaveclub.com, that's what I just showed you. I want you to just click that link, watch this little video here, meet our founder, and then if you like what you see or you want more information, fill these little lines out right here, right below me here, and hit that orange button. Then go and open up your email, and you can join that way. Or if you want more information, every day this company will send you a nice email telling you more information about this opportunity. And if you don't want anything to do with Save Club, just hit unsubscribe. But I recommend if you join, collect all the emails. I think they're very cool and they're good to learn off of. Isn't it nice to know that if you do join for $60, this company does automatic auto-responding with an email campaign. So if you don't know how to do Aweber, GetResponse, System, or Leads Leap, most people don't know how to do autoresponders. They might know what it is. You pay $20 to have one, but if you don't have emails and, oh God, autoresponders are still confusing. Even after 2025, they are a pain in the ass. Let this company do it for you. You just get really good at inviting people to your custom link. In my case, I've already showed you here. There it is. There's both of them. Now, if you've already joined Save Club and you're kind of stuck, check out the new club funnel system here. SaveClubFunnels.com. I want you to check it out. It's pretty darn cool. It's more elaborate. It's just a little more information that goes in more depth about Save Club. It like over explains it. So when you go to SaveClubFunnels.com, it's only $25. If you don't like it, then don't pay. Just get it for the month and check it out. Now I want you to go to this page here, SaveClubFunnels.com. Put in an email right there. I'm going to put in Let's All Rock. Show me the video. Now this video is 20 minutes and it over explains Save Club. And I like that. I want so much information that you're just like, man, I feel like I've been in Save Club for 6 months already. That's what you want. Then you can make a real nice decision. Take your time, do things right. But don't take too long because we're only 3 days from kicking this baby off. Today's June 3rd of 2025. And we kick this off June 1st. So we only have a couple thousand affiliates. We have to sign up millions of people the next year, and they can only sign up under affiliates like me or maybe you. So go ahead and watch this video. And then if you want to join Save Club, go ahead and hit this red button. And if you're already in Save Club, hit this red button on the right. Watch the little video for a few more minutes to make sure you want the funnel. And if you do, click this red button, $25, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Awesome. You have this exact funnel. And you can switch it too. If you want to switch the wording here, or if you want Save Club Funnel Builder to be pink or yellow, you can rewrite any of these pages. It's super easy. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I recommend just get the funnel and just invite people to your link and let this video, these 2 videos, take over. They're more than enough for you to decide yay or nay. Do you have the $79.97? Do you want the funnel? I hope you look into it. All I can say is that it sure has gotten me a lot of signups the last couple of weeks. And then you're going to hit this red button after you join, and we're going to welcome you into our group. A couple Facebook private only group pages where you can go in there and get marketing materials and meet other people and help each other, bounce off each other, and get real good at inviting people to your link, however that might be, social media, Instagram, Facebook, maybe email campaigns. You can do email. You can pay for traffic, but you have to do the funnel system only. You know, if you go ahead and save or go to the Save Club funnel page right here, you can't have paid traffic. You got to use a funnel system because the funnel weeds out all the fake, spammy crap. So if you're going to do paid clicks or paid traffic, you have to use the funnel system anyway. But it's $25. You don't have to do it. All I can tell you is that I've signed up almost 100 people. The funnel's probably got me 20 signups just in the last couple of weeks. And on top of that, I've had about 50 to 60 people total. And the company pays me $20 for each person. So 20 times 30, 40, I'd have to look at, I think I'm well over $900 I've made just in the last week or two of just cash that the funnel system pays me. And they'll pay you too. This is extra money on top of what you're going to save and earn with Save Club. So I hope you look into the funnel system. It's pretty dang cool. I'm a big fan of funnels where they just take your time and really teach you what the heck Save Club is. Why I'm probably having a turkey club. Okay, I'm actually hungry. I forgot to eat breakfast, so I think might do some breakfast real quick here after I do this video. Okay, I want you to look at both the links. I want you to go to officialsaveclub.com, but then look at the funnel too, saveclubfunnels.com. Deal? And if you want some business cards, I recommend Vistaprint. Those are the red ones on my screen. $22, big old box. You'll never run out of them. But hand them out on a street level. Never talk about Save Club. Let people go to the links. Let the videos do all their training and recruiting. Then you have a life. You're not over talking Save Club. You got a headache, and then you get bummed out if people don't sign up every hour on the hour. Okay, just relax. This is a marathon. But I need you to join now because we've only been 3 days in from debuting this. Right now, the best chance to have a bigger group, a bigger selection of people that want to join and earn money and save money at the same time is right now. Sign up people across the street, at your bowling alley, in your city, in your state, in your countries. All right, the next 30 to 45 days is important. So, okay, there's my links. I think you know what to do, and that's it, guys. Okay, get a hold of me if you need something. It's just Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. And you can find me on Facebook, too. Inbox me there. Oh, subscribe, please, to my YouTube channel as well. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next video. Bye.